Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. If you've ever felt that soul-crushing dread of running out of ink mid-print, or you're just tired of the endless cycle of expensive cartridges, then get ready, because the Epson EcoTank ET-3950 is here to revolutionize your home office printing experience. This isn't just another printer, it's a game changer, designed to make your life easier and your wallet happier. Let's get straight to what truly sets the ET-3950 apart. Its incredible value and worry-free printing. Forget everything you know about traditional ink cartridges. Epson EcoTank includes enough ink to last you not just months, but an astonishing up to 3 years. Imagine that, 3 years without stepping foot in an office supply store for ink. And when you finally do need a refill, you'll save up to 90% with replacement ink bottles compared to those old, wasteful cartridges. We're talking about printing up to 6,600 black pages or 5,500 color pages right out of the box. To put that into perspective, one set of replacement ink bottles is equivalent to about 80 standard ink cartridges. That's not just a saving. That's a massive reduction in frustration, a huge boost to your productivity, and a significant win for your budget. You can print school projects, work documents, vibrant photos, all without that constant anxiety of the ink warning light. Now, you might be thinking, but what about refilling those tanks? Isn't that messy? And that brings us to our next fantastic feature, simple ink refilling. Epson has completely redesigned the process to be utterly mess-free and stress-free. The ET-3950 boasts supersized, integrated ink tanks that are incredibly easy to access. And here's the genius part. It uses uniquely keyed EcoFit bottles. This means each color ink bottle has a specific nozzle shape that fits only its corresponding tank. You literally cannot mix them up. Just open the lid, invert the bottle, and watch the ink fill cleanly and automatically. No squeezing, no spills, no mess on your hands or desk. It's so intuitive, anyone can do it in seconds. This thoughtful design ensures a smooth, clean experience every single time, letting you get back to what matters most without a hiccup. But this printer isn't just about saving on ink. It's also a powerhouse when it comes to advanced productivity features. For anyone working from home, running a small business, or managing a busy household, efficiency is key, and the ET-3950 delivers. It offers fast print speeds of 18 pages per minute for black and 9 for color, with virtually zero warm-up time, meaning your documents are ready almost instantly. Need to scan a multi-page contract? The Auto Document Feeder, ADF, handles it with ease, saving you valuable time. It also features a generous 250-sheet paper tray, so you're not constantly refilling paper. Plus, with auto duplex printing, copying, and scanning, you can effortlessly print on both sides, saving paper and reducing your environmental footprint. And navigating all these features is a breeze thanks to the intuitive 2.4-inch color screen. This printer isn't just a cost saver, it's a time saver and a productivity booster rolled into one sleek, white package. The Epson EcoTank ET-3950 isn't just good, it's a testament to how printing should be: efficient, economical, and utterly hassle-free. It delivers incredible value, eliminates ink cartridge frustration, and offers robust features that genuinely enhance your home office workflow. If you're ready to break free from the cycle of expensive ink and embrace a smarter, more sustainable, and far more convenient way to print, then this is the printer for you. Stop paying for tiny cartridges and start enjoying up to 3 years of ink freedom. So if you're tired of printer headaches and ready for a truly worry-free printing experience, the Epson EcoTank ET-3950 is an absolute must-have. Don't just take my word for it. Transform your printing reality today. You can find the link to check out the Epson EcoTank ET-3950 and learn more about its amazing features right down in the description below. Go grab yours and